Hello everyone, welcome to Femica. We hope you are doing great. When you think of Christmas makeup, you probably think of glitter and glamorous makeup look for a festive celebration, right? But there is also something to be said for the light and natural makeup look for the cozy day at home. Well, regardless of how you celebrate, you can still slay your makeup look, and that's what I'm gonna show today. So without further chit-chatting, let's get rolling. But wait. Before we begin, comment down below and subscribe to the channel because you have a chance to win a beauty hamper from Femica. Now let's get started. Before starting my makeup look, I am actually gonna apply a lip balm because my lips feel very dry. Hope you guys can see this has a very nice sheen into it, like a pinkish sheen. Now my lips are moisturized, let's start with the base. I'm going to start with a pore filling primer. You can go with any silicone based primer. If you have a dry skin, you can go ahead with a dewy primer as well. When you're using a pore filling primer, make sure you also use this motion as well, because काफी लोग क्या करते हैं सिर्फ ऐसे कर देते हैं. You also have to fill the pores, so just do this dabbing motion as well. For my base, I'm going to use the Aegte DD cream, and I'm also going to mix this with a liquid illuminator. Don't think that I'm applying too much. ये Aegte DD cream is very light. DD cream is basically a mixture of BB cream plus CC cream. It also corrects your skin. Look at that coverage. Covered my all acne scars, but it feels very light. You guys can still see my dark circles, right? Don't worry, I'm gonna cover it up with a full coverage concealer. To be honest, I can do my full base makeup with a concealer. I absolutely love concealer and I cannot skip concealer. Matlab, if you will say na ki just apply foundation and go, I cannot. Even color corrector is very important for me, but today we are doing it very light. I don't want many layers. So I'm going with a full coverage concealer that will hide all the acne scars, all the darkness around my mouth as well as the dark circles. The usual points of concealing, the bridge of the nose, the forehead and also on the chin. I feel like concealer just added a lot more coverage, so now let's move forward to the liquid blush. This Iba Cosmetics liquid blush in the shade Timeless Mocha is seriously a must-have in your kit. You can apply this beautiful blush with a blender, finger or even a brush. That's what I'm using. Now I'm going to use a liquid highlighter in the shade pink. I'll show you how this looks. I've applied too much. Better. Once I've applied all the cream products, I'm going to set my face using a setting powder. Now I'm going to set this under eye as well. Base is done, let's move to the eyes. I'm going to pick this golden bronzy shimmer and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Taking a clean eyeshadow buffing brush and I'm just gonna blend it. Isn't this easy? Like, it's super easy, yet it looks like I have put a lot of efforts in it. Wow. You can do this with any color of shimmer you want. You can also use red, you can use a pink shimmer, you can use a green shimmer as well. So go crazy with shimmers and just apply one shadow, blend it with a brush, you are good to go. Now I will apply a mascara. Also one more thing, I feel like ना थोड़ा blush कम हो गया after setting my face. So I'm gonna redo my blush with a powder blush now क्योंकि मैंने अपना पूरा face set कर लिया. I'm not gonna use a liquid blush now. So I'm gonna use the mascara first and then a liquid blush and then we'll move forward to the lips. Now the lipstick will change the whole makeup look because we are going to apply a bold matte red lipstick. For my matte red lipstick, I'm going ahead with the Lovers in the shade Spicy Sangria. Whenever I'm applying a red lipstick, I always make sure that I'm wearing a red lip liner just to outline my lips. It's been 10 minutes. I've been staring at my mirror, looking at my face. See, कुछ missing लग रहा है. What is missing? And then again, I forgot to do my brows. If you guys have seen my previous videos, which you guys should, I always forget to do my brows. Always. Anyway, I'm gonna just fill them very slightly. Very easy to do. I'm just gonna fill them and obviously I'm gonna brush them. I love this makeup look. Absolutely love it. Do let me know in the comment section. Do you guys like it or not? Femica wishes you a very Merry Christmas. We hope you like this video. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you know you don't have to go far away. We are just a click away. Do check the description box. Everything is mentioned over there. Shop all the goodness from Femica. Also join the community and welcome yourself in the world of clean, safe and natural beauty products by connecting with the social media platforms. That's it. Description check करना मत भूलना. Everything is mentioned over there. चलो signing off with lots of love. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.